Hello and good morning. You're tuned into Market Cafe. I'm Ankita Saxena, and in the next half an hour, I'll take you through all of the transpired on the global front, the markets, and of course, the cue you need to watch out for before the start of the street today. Let's take a look at the Wall Street and how that shaped up yesterday. Well, we did see the Wall Street snapping its three-session losing streak yesterday, with all the major industrial, averages trading in the green. In fact, we did see that sectoral churn getting back into the AI and semiconductor stocks, because we did see VanEck Semiconductor ETF that climbed 4% as investors rotated back into artificial intelligence related names, and on account of that we did see Nasdaq that was trading up with gains of more than 320 odd points, 1.3% uptick coming in on Nasdaq. The S&P 500 also eked out gains of almost 0.9%, and Dow Jones also was trading up 385 odd points, 0.7% gain coming in there. Now remember, we have the earnings season that's going on in the US as well, and we did see some better than expected earnings from the blue chip companies, including 3M, General Motors, that help ease the concerns about the health of corporate America. And the chip makers, like I mentioned, also rallied on account of the funds flowing yet again back to these names, and on account of that we did see Nasdaq also doing well in yesterday's trading session. Also, taking center stage are the earnings for Tesla. We have Alphabet that will be reporting their quarterly earnings today. We'll be getting the report tomorrow, and that is what we are waiting and watching out for, because investors are watching closely the updates on AI spending, whether it's the cloud demand, the corporate technology budgets, and the outlook for the second half of the year, and that will really help decide the future and fate of all these AI and semiconductor related stocks that saw a rebound in yesterday's trading session. So that's how really the Wall Street shaped up yesterday. It was cushioned by the earnings season, but the oil still remains elevated, though it is now, it is below the $95 per barrel mark. It still remains elevated on account of the blockade that the Houthis have imposed, and that has really threatened the energy supply. And on account of that, we do see the oil prices that remain elevated. Brent trading with uptick of 1.5% at $92.42 a barrel, and WTI is also trading at $84.91 a barrel. So the LNG supply concerns have intensified on account of that Houthi blockade, and of course the escalating tensions that still persist between US and Iran. But let's talk about the Asian handover and how that looks like. Well, Asian markets are trading mixed right now, with the Chinese markets taking a knock. Hang Seng is down almost 0.7%. Shanghai is absolutely flat, though in the red. S&P ASX 200 is trading very flat in the green, though 16 odd points uptick coming in. Nikkei is the only one that is seeing some gains of 1.8 odd percent. So that's the only market that is doing well, because look at the implied start to Nifty as well. On the back of elevated crude prices, we do see cuts coming across the Indian markets as well. 70 points downtick is what we're expecting at the start of today morning's trading session.